Dear friends, in this video I am going to unbox the Buildskill 10mm professional drill. I will show you how it is powerful by testing it on a different surface. It is the box of Buildskill 10mm professional drill. Its model number is BD1100 red color with 7 drill bits. It is well packed. I bought it from buildskill.com. The product link is in the video description. It is the user manual of this drill. Now I am unpacking all items quickly and then showing you in details. It comes with 6 1/8 drill bits and one 6.5 mm bit. It is the metal drill chuck. You have to install it on drill machine. You can see its build quality is really good. It is very handy and small in size. Its power consumption is 350 watt. It has a 2600 rpm motor. The chuck size is 10 mm. It has a 1.6 meter AC cord. You can see the wire quality and plug quality is also nice. This tool is for installation of a drill bit. Now it is ready for testing. After testing this drill, I can say that it is really powerful and durable handy drill machine. So you can use it for home and professional purpose. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.